I'm Dilly D'Alally with ClownAntics.com, and I would like to share with you some magic tricks with household objects. Imagine, if you will, this would never happen, that you are in the need of filling some time, or you've been booked on a gig where the client has been promised a magic show, but you weren't told, and you're suddenly there without anything to do magic with. Scout the area and you can find some things to make a magic show and fill the time. I pulled this string out of a string backpack. Now, if you have 2 strings, all the better, because you can get a kid or a parent up next to you and they're not going to be able to make this happen. I'm going to hold on to both ends of this string, and by this simple series of manipulations, I can flip it right over my wrists and there will be a knot in this string. 1, 2, 3, flip! And I got a knot. Now, it's not gonna work for them. So you're gonna, oh, yours must be broken. Here, trade with me. And you can go back and forth a few times, and obviously hilarious. Okay, let me show you how to do this. Goes over, through, back. Okay, now you're holding this. Now as you flip over your wrists, keep holding this one, but grab that and let go. Here, 1, 2, 3, flip, you got it. Because if you don't do that, you have a straight string. You have no knot. Because if I hold on, which is, what they're doing, because they're gonna be good and follow your instructions. 1, 2, 3, flip. Oh no, not again. Okay, another one. A dollar bill. Now, I'm gonna keep the top, this white line up at the top through all of the folding. And the idea is to fold it and unfold it, and George will be standing on his head, because we all know George Washington was a good clown. Here we go. Fold it once, twice, 3 times. Make sure there's no funny business, and I'm keeping that line up on the top. I'm unfolding it once, twice, 3 times. Oh, George, what a prankster. Here we go. I am folding it up, watching George, watching the top line, folding it. Now, instead of unfolding it the way that it just came in, one fold out the other way. And then back, and we're upside down. And one more, because the rule of 3s. The 3. Okay. Got my quarter. I'm gonna grab it. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, wait. Oh, I feel something back here. Oh, there it is. Now, this is the most basic of uncle tricks. You as you come through and you're grabbing it there, but it's gone. It's called the French drop, and you've just dropped it into your palm as you're coming through. But make sure you're grabbing it. And also, it helps not to have any rings on, because when you drop it, it goes clank onto your rings, and everybody knows. Style. Thanks for watching ClownAntics.com. If you enjoyed this, please share it with your friends and family.